Welcome to our Introduction to DaVinci Resolve series. DaVinci Resolve is a powerhouse of video editing. The workflow of this software is quite different to other programs as it utilizes multiple workspaces tailored for specific areas of video creation, rather than just one. Don't be intimidated by this though. Through our three-part series, we will guide you through the first simple steps of using DaVinci Resolve to create your very own video project. This video will focus on how to create your own project, add media, and render it. The following videos will cover how to make edits to your video file and add effects like transitions and text. To help you practice, you can also edit a video along with us. Let's begin. Creating a new project. Open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. The first thing you see will be the Project Manager window, where you can create a new project or open an existing one. To create a new project, click the New Project button in the lower right corner. Then, type in your new project name and click Create. Workspaces. After your project is created, you'll be taken to the Workspaces. DaVinci Resolve has different workspaces for editing, color grading, and audio. You can switch between these workspaces using the icons at the bottom of the screen. However, for this video, we will focus on the editing workspace. Importing media. You can add or import media, such as still images, video files, and audio tracks. To do this, go to File, Import File, then Import Media. Locate and select the media files you want to import. Then click on Open to add media to your project. The imported files will appear in your media pool in the top bar panel. Adding media to your timeline. Drag and drop media files from your media pool to your timeline. Different video files will settle into their respective tracks according to what type of media they hold. For example, a video with sound will drop into the video and audio tracks. Saving the project. Save your project frequently to ensure you don't lose any changes. To save changes under your current project, click on File and then Save Project. If you'd like to save a new project, click on File and then Save Project As. A box will appear so that you can enter a new project title. Rendering the project. Once you're happy with your overall project, you can render it and create the final version in your preferred output. Click on the Deliver tab at the bottom of the screen. Choose a preset or customize render settings for your output. If you're not sure which preset to use, the YouTube preset is a useful default, as the video quality will work well across a variety of platforms. Set the destination folder for your rendered file and specify the file name. Click on Add to Render Queue to add your export to the list of jobs. When done, click on the Render All button. After the rendering is complete, navigate to the specified output location to find your completed video file. Congratulations! You have just learned the basics of working in DaVinci Resolve. Let's recap. You now know how to create a new project, understand that there are different workspaces, know how to import and add media, and save and render a project. Stay tuned for part 2, which will focus on simple ways to edit your video file.